1988 Honda Prelude. You don't see these much anymore. It's got, we just did an aftermarket high flow catalytic converter MagnaFlow. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back into a Borla center in, center out muffler. And the double wall tip, Borla number 40941. If you guys want to purchase this muffler, you'll find the description in the, you'll find the link in the description. It's a 2.0 SI. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. He wanted it to stick out right past the bumper like that. Looks really clean. Not bad. Yeah, you guys can see the link in the description for the tip and the muffler if you guys want to purchase it. And the catalytic converter too. It's a high flow converter. That's what came off of it, that pipe over there. On the Prelude. You like it? Get on it, okay? Get on it.